In this video, we will explore two different calendar views. One is the year view, which allows selecting months and quarters within a year, and the other is the multi-year view, which helps compare the same periods across multiple years. Let's start with the year view first. First, we add the super filter to the report, then drag and adjust it. Next, populate the category field with the date column. By default, the date slider appears in the report. First, navigate to the Format pane and disable the toolbar option to get a clearer view. Now to switch to the calendar view, we navigate to the Date Filter section in the Format pane and select Calendar View under Selection Style. Once selected, the Calendar Controls option is enabled by default, but we can simply disable it. By default, the calendar view is set to month range, so we change it to year view. Now, we have a year view with displaying all the months. To include quarters in the year view, simply enable the quarter toggle. Now, we can select specific months and quarters to filter data by broader time ranges. This is useful for analyzing seasonal performance or financial reports. Next, we will explore the multi-year view, which simplifies year-over-year analysis by allowing the selection of the same quarter or month across multiple years. To enable this, go to the Format pane and select Multi-Year View in the Calendar View settings, and now we have multiple years displayed. Now, we can easily select the month, quarter, and year in the filter. It works similarly to the date-month option, but allows for multi-year filtering, making it ideal for comparing data across different years. This is how year view and multi-year view help analyze seasonal performance, financial reports, year-over-year analysis, and much more. Download Inforiver Super Filter from Microsoft AppSource to experience this magic. For more information, refer to the documentation provided in the description.